Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So this is a flip through of this little journal that I made from a Stampin' Up little card kit, Precious Parcel card kit, and I've used one of the cards and some of the other bits that come in the kit. I do go through it in the first part. So basically we started off with this and I've created a little journal. Part 1 is the creating of the journal. Part 2 is the making of the pockets and the tags. So there we go, just a little tie that's held in place by the back. So I added an extra back to it. So this is one of the cards that comes in the kit. I've just backed it and stamped it, and I have that little bit of ephemera there. That stamp is in the kit. This is in, that's from a Memories and More pack, and these are things that I've stamped. This is some DSP that is free at the moment in Celebration, so I made a few tags. I liked the back of that, so left it as it is. Got a Memories and More card there, which I've stamped. I made a little tuck there, and there's another pocket here with another one of those cards that are in the kit there. And then I've just made, I think it's a 44-page little journal here, and so I've created a few pockets with the DSP and a cluster. These are the Memories and More cards, which I've just stamped and inked to make them look old. And I show you in part 2 how I made all of these tags to go in. So we've got coffee dye, so we've got DSP, coffee dyed paper, avocado dyed paper, and that is red cabbage dyed paper, believe it or not, even though it's blue. And again, I show you how I do all the pockets and make the journaling cards and the tags. And then this is some vintage, bought fake vintage paper. I got it for Christmas, just for quickness. Again, DSP pocket. Some plain pages, which I decided not to do anything with. A little DSP pocket there, made a little journaling card there with the DSP, just let the paper be beautiful and didn't do anything else with it. Bit of stamping on these pages. That's a little paper bag. It was just slightly too tall, so I folded it over, got myself a little pocket in the front, and then we've got a pocket in there. And again, these are just Memories and More cards to make it quick and easy. I wanted a quick, easy project, and then I went mad and made all of these, which took a little bit longer, but such fun to make. And yeah, so lots and lots of writing space, spaces for photographs, memories, however you want to use your journal. So yeah, it's more of those Memories and More cards. I cut them down so they fitted in here. Another little pocket here. That's the lovely ticket dies that I've got from the sports events set. Go in there. That's my Memories and More card again. Another one. I made all the tags very, very similar. So some more pages there. Oh, that's parchment paper that I had. And there I've got a few tags in there. That was a pocket with the avocado dyed paper, and then I just stuck a bit of DSP on it. And so this one's got all 3 styles of tags in it. As you can see, they're all decorated in a very similar way. And then this is the inside back cover. So we've got an extra little pocket there. So I didn't decorate these, so I just thought I could probably stick a photo on that or on the back, do some journaling. So left them as it was. And in the back here, we've got a little journaling card, and I show you how I made this tab. So this isn't using that rounded tab punch. I made that with circle punch. So that is my journal, and I will show you stamp sets that I used. So I used Ranunculus, if that's how you pronounce it, Romance, love that. So I used that a lot, so I stamped it all over this to give myself some vintage looking paper, and I used that on the tags, used the postmark there, I used that border, and I used that little one there, which is just lovely. And I used my usual Quiet Meadow for the dots. I think that's all. Oh, and that flower, so that features. And then I've used the Sports Events dies for the ticket, and I did cut the long ticket, although I didn't use it very much. I did cut them out ready to use, and I think I've only used one little ticket somewhere. These are the tailor-made tags, so that's what I used to make my tags. I used the Encircled in Beauty, and that's what I used to make the little Millie doilies. And I used the hand-penned Memories and More cards, and I just vintaged them up to fit in with the journal. And I used the Daffodil Afternoon DSP, which is free with £45 order. So that was the paper I used, and that paper and that paper there. Those were the sheets that I used for it. And the Precious Parcel card kit. And my usual inks and stuff. So yeah, I'll link down below to everything that I used in the making of this journal. And I'd say I spent about 3 hours on it. Maybe 4. I lost count really, because I was watching or binge watching a few things whilst I was doing it. So, and I was doing other things as well, so kind of got lost track of time of how long it took. But yeah, that's my pretty little journal. So I hope you like that. Give me a like and subscribe. Check out the tutorials if you haven't seen them yet. And I do junk journaling on a Wednesday. I know this is not Wednesday. It's come out on a different day.